In this video, we're going to show you everything you can't miss on a trip to Puerto Iguazú in Argentina. The best tours, prices, how to visit the Argentine side of the Iguazu Falls, restaurant tips, where to stay, and everything you need to plan your perfect trip. So let's go! Puerto Iguazú is located at the triple frontier between Brazil, Argentina, and Paraguay. It's the main base for visiting the Argentine side of the Iguazu Falls, one of the most stunning destinations in South America. The city is small but charming, full of great restaurants, shops, casinos, and cultural attractions. And best of all, it's a very affordable destination, great for budget travelers. The main attraction is the IGUAZU National Park, where the Argentine side of the waterfalls is located. The entrance costs around $20 per person, and the park is huge, with several trails, walkways, and viewpoints. The Devil's Throat is the most famous spot and truly breathtaking. You can easily spend the whole day there. There's also the Eco Train, included in the ticket, and other trails with amazing scenery. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Our mission is to help you travel more and better around the world. If you're enjoying the video, like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Another nice place to visit is the Hito Tres Fronteras, where you can see the Iguazu and Paraná rivers meeting, with the Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina landmarks all visible at the same time. It's free, and at night, there are local craft markets and folklore shows. Don't worry. In the video description and on the QR code on the screen, we'll leave the link to the site we always use to buy tickets and tours at the best price. It's the biggest tour website in the world and has pretty much everything. Tickets for all attractions, tours, and day trips to nearby cities and must-see places. Everything at the lowest price, and you can pay in your own currency to avoid extra fees. They also offer free tours that are excellent. And on that same page, we've listed all the tools we use to plan our trips at the lowest cost: travel SIM card, travel insurance at half the price, attraction tickets, great and affordable hotels we've stayed at, cheap car rental, and a global account to bring money abroad while saving on fees. The links already include automatic discounts, and we always keep them updated, so save that page. It'll make your trip way easier. A must-see visit is the Biocentro Iguazu, with snakes, fish, birds, and even caimans. It costs about $4 and is great for those traveling with kids. And for a more unusual experience, there's the Ice Bar Iguazu, everything made of ice, with an entry fee of around $10 that includes drinks. It's a fun and different experience. Many people also cross the border to visit the Brazilian side of the falls. Just bring your passport or a valid ID and pay attention to the border crossing hours. You can go by taxi, rental car, or on a tour. The entrance to the Brazilian side is also around $20, with great infrastructure, internal shuttle buses, viewpoints, and the famous Macuco Safari boat ride. You'll get soaked, but it's incredible. If you want to shop, check out the local markets with Argentine wines, dulce de leche, alfajores, and souvenirs at great prices. You'll also find small outlets and casinos, but the best shopping is across the border in Ciudad del Este, Paraguay. Perfect for a quick day trip. For food, Puerto Iguazú is a paradise. The restaurants are great and cheap. A full meal with drinks costs between $6 and $10 per person. La Rueda is one of the most famous places, offering amazing Argentine steaks. El Quincho del Tío Querido and Aqua are also great options. The best area to stay in Puerto Iguazú is downtown, near Cordoba Avenue and San Martin Square. You can walk everywhere and be close to restaurants, markets, and shops. We created a personalized map that shows exactly which is the best area to stay. In the video description and QR code on the screen, we'll leave the link to the page with that map and the hotels we've stayed at, including one that was great, very cheap, and super well located. If you want more comfort, there are also resort-style hotels with breakfast, pool, spa, and great facilities, still at very fair prices. We'll leave all the links in the video description with discounts already applied. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you can keep traveling more and better around the world. Thanks a lot, and have a great trip.